For the military press, use the grip that is slightly wider than your shoulder's width and place the bar on the clavicles just below your chin. Keep your elbows slightly tucked in, positioning your forearms directly under your wrist. Take a few steps back and a stable stance just about as wide as your shoulder's width. Lean your head back to clear the path for the bar to pass and push through all the way up. Here you can feel the contraction of your front and medial delts, your traps and your triceps. Then you can slowly control the weight all the way back to your clavicles. Your core will also be engaged in order to ensure stability. You want to press the bar all the way up above your shoulder joints, forming a straight line all the way down to your feet. This will create a perfect balance. You can also use the belt to protect your lower back. Common mistakes are flaring the elbows too much outside. Keep them slightly tucked in to relieve the stress from your shoulder joints. Another mistake is shortening the range of motion, especially on the way down. Make it a standard for yourself to slowly touch your clavicles on every rep to ensure a full range of motion. Okay, other ways to do this is while being seated. This is a much better option if you're looking to relieve some stress from your lower back. You can either use a barbell or dumbbells, and ideally you will use the upright bench or the bench that is set in a slight modest angle. For the dumbbell overhead press, you can get into the starting position by kicking them up from your quads. Here, just make sure that you're going all the way down to your shoulders, or if you're using the barbell, you're gonna use some sort of rack. Machines are also a great option. Just set the seat in a way that will allow you to have full range of motion. If the seat is too high, it will prevent you from going all the way down and having a good stretch. And finally, you can use the Smith machine. Here you wanna set the seat so that the bar is passing as close to your face as possible. Keep in mind that no matter which variation you choose, the positioning of your elbows is always the same, slightly tucked in as discussed earlier.